Look at the board. There are some statements. I can speak English. We can talk Telugu. You can say a story like this. You have to change these statements into question form. Okay? Are you ready? First.
It can run fast.
It can run fast. Question form.
Can it run fast?
Can it run fast? Very good. You can take any sentence. Come on.
I can speak English.
I can speak English.
Can I speak English?
Can I speak English?
Can I speak English?
Right. Yes, Joshita.
You can say a story.
You can say a story.
Can you say a story?
Can you say a story? Good. Wait.
Raju can eat 5 idlis.
Yes.
Can Raju eat 5 idlis?
Can Raju eat 5 idlis? Yes, Kamlesar. Geeta can play cricket. Can Geeta play cricket? Very good. Yes. You come
I
here.
can speak English.
Yes.
Can I speak English?
Can I speak English? Yes. Take any sentence. Geeta can play cricket. Can Geeta play cricket? Very good. Right. Yes. Mokshika. We can talk Telugu. Good. Can we talk Telugu? Yes. Parnika. Come near. They can sing songs. What is the question form?
Can they sing songs?
Can they sing songs? Good. Very good. Claps.